Yep. Today's daily carry. Got my slim fold wallet. Got my Olight carbon fiber flashlight and my new Civivi Imperial carbon fiber wallet. Super thin. Get a spot for your ID. Put all your cards in there. Plenty of spot to put money. I mean, like, super thin. The IRS. This is the one with the rechargeable. Full carbon fiber. A low, high, rechargeable battery on the inside. That's it right here. This is the new one. Got a little silver flecks inside of it. Action on it. It's brand new. That's still very nice action on it. But yeah, that's my daily carry.